This is Shipra. We are here with our next DIY activity, Yellow Class by Shipra. So we have done lot of DIY activities. I hope you are doing it. We have come with yet another activity which you can do it yourself. Just simply following the instructions and you can easily do it. So let me just quickly tell you what all material do you require to make this beautiful sunflower. So we can just let you know what all things do we require. It's quite simple. A thick A4 size sheet. For this we are using thin strips, thin A4 size sheets, or if you have leftover yellow color, green color sheets, you can use that also, kids. And again our orange color, very small amount of black color to make the inside part of the sunflower. Okay, the green color sheets are for the leaves and the yellow and orange are for the petals of sunflower. What I have done, I have few strips here. So I have few strips here, but I will show you how to cut it. We need glue, we need scissor, we need pencil. So pencil, scissor, glue, a thin sheet of black color, a small piece of A4 size sheet of orange, green and yellow, and the main thick sheet to make our sunflower. So let us just draw the circle in between. We'll draw a simple circle, and other than that we are not going to draw anything. This is just to give an idea that we are going to stick our petals outside the circle. What we are going to do, kids? We are going to first of all cut. I have just divided my sheet. If you have a small A4 size sheet also, you can take half of it also, because I don't need much. We just need thin strips, around 7 to 8 of yellow color and 5 to 6 of orange color. So you can use a paper cutter also. And approximately again of the same size, you are going to cut the strips. So this way you can do. Just fold your paper again. And I am not measuring again. I am again randomly cutting it, just approximately of the same size. Okay, and we just need to see, yes, it's perfect. Same way we are going to cut for orange color. So I have few orange in front of me. I have cut it earlier. I will be using those. As I told you, I have yellow. It's the same way I have cut my yellow, I have cut the orange strips. I will take the yellow strip and I will apply glue here. I will apply very less glue and I will give a fold here. We are not pressing from here, kids. We are just pressing from here. So we want to give that loop, the look of the loop definitely. So basically we are making loops like this. No pressing from here. I am giving it a shape of a loop only. So just apply very less glue and you can easily make that loop, because I'm just pressing it here and it's sticking. Okay, I am doing 6. Let us see if 6 are more than enough, and if we'll need more, we'll take more. But let us just first stick 6 petals for the sunflower. Just randomly cut thin strips approximately of the same size and then stick it like this. No pressing from anywhere else other than the area where you have applied the glue. Now we'll apply glue here again on the outer side, very less glue, kids, and we'll stick it. So this is, again we'll apply very less glue. If you, by mistake, if extra glue is there, you can just rub it from the other side. I don't think we'll need more than 6. I think we will be through with just 6 or maybe 5. No, 6 will be good enough. So that's why I told you kids that we will just make 6 first, and if needed, we can make more. So basically that depends on the size of the circle you have made. And stick it like this. Okay, so the look of the sunflower is there. Now it's orange is also of the same size, but I am going to divide it into 2 equal halves. The size was exactly the same, you can see. Okay, so I will just divide it into 2 halves. Again, I just need 6. And we'll again make the loops the same way we have done for the yellow portion. Petals, kids. Just apply glue, fold it this way, and press it from here. We are not going to press it from anywhere else. Just press it. If we have extra glue, we can rub the other sheet here. Just take care, we are not pressing from the top because we want that petal look should come. This petal look has come. Okay, we'll just wait for them to stick. And then we'll apply very less glue here. Okay. Just simply stick it like this. Yes. Perfect. You can see. Now what I am going to do, I'm just going to tear it randomly like this. And we'll do a little crumpling like this. Okay. What I have done, I have just torn my pieces like this, black sheet, and I have done it this way. Just tear it like this simply and just do as we crumple the paper. As I can show you with a newspaper, I've taken a piece randomly like this and I have crumpled it like this. So this I'm not using, I've just shown you the way you have to do the crumpling of this black color. Okay. And we'll see if we want more. If we want more, we'll take more. We'll apply glue inside. Again, very less glue. We'll stick it. If you feel the spaces there, we can just make one or two more. And we'll just press it. So basically it is the crumpling of paper and you can easily do it. Just see all your leaves have stuck properly. So we are done with this, the flower. Okay, the flower part is over. Now we have to make the stem and the leaves. So what I'm going to do, I'm again going to divide my A4 size green color and I will just cut it into 2 equal halves. Only half I am going to use. Okay. I will take out a thin sheet like this. Again, I'm just cutting it randomly. I folded it like this and I will take out a thin sheet like this. I'm taking the double sheet only. Because I want to make a little thick leaf, stem. I will stick it with very less glue. We'll join it together. So here we go. And we'll stick it. A little thick stem is ready. We'll just put it here in between and we'll cut the extra stem. Okay, we'll cut the extra part. So we'll again apply a little glue here. Just push it inside like this. Now we'll make the leaves. For the leaves, what I have done, I have simply folded it like this. This sheet only, I have folded it like this. Then again, I have folded it like this. And proper pressing I have done. And we'll draw a leaf like this. Just a half C. And we'll cut it. and our 2 leaves are ready. What we'll do, we'll give that markations, those cuttings like that it looks like a leaf like this. Just simple cutting I am doing randomly. Take care you don't cut too much, otherwise it will not look nice. Very less, half of cuttings I have given like this, and then we will stick it like this. So apply here the glue nicely. Again the glue nicely here, and just press it from here and press it. So R3, okay, just a second. Just press it, okay. Our 3D sunflower is ready, see. So we have a beautiful 3D sunflower. It was quite easy, just take care, we don't have to press from here. We just have to press from the place where we have applied glue. And this way your 3D sunflower is ready. I hope kids the instructions were clear. You will be able to do it. Do put in the comment box how you have liked the activity. Was it easy? You were able to do it. Do share your pictures. Do share your feedback. Till we meet next time, it's time to say bye-bye. It was DIY activity by Shipra for Yellow Class. See you soon. Take care, kids. Bye-bye.